Our next speaker is Sumit. He's a QA geek with around 6 years of experience in different platforms and technologies. He has worked on various commercial and open source automation tools. Today, he's going to tell us about many Firefox add-ons.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to talk about add-ons for software testers and how and what significance it holds for our daily QA activities. This sounds familiar to every one of us. We hear it quite often from our development team. It works fine on my computer and many other sentences. And many a times we are able to figure out the cause of it, but many a time we just wonder why it happened at that particular time. So add-on can be one of the reasons for it. Online community provides thousands of add-ons for our use, but many of the times we don't effectively utilize that. Sometimes what seems like a defect can be due to the add-ons which we have installed in our system. Okay. So one of the good options for detecting the defect due to add-ons is maintaining different profiles on your browser. You can have say 3 different profiles, one without an add-on, second with some specific add-ons, or third with all the add-ons which you need, so that it will help you to figure it out if the defect or the weird behavior you are seeing in your application, which many of the times you are not able to see it on the dev's machine, is due to some specific add-ons. So now we'll also see some of the important add-ons which we can use in our daily QA activities. First one I'm going to tell you is about Firesizer. It's a Firefox add-on. It basically helps you to resize the window, so you don't explicitly need to change the resolution and check how the web page behaves. Second is about view dependencies. So in your if you are adding this add-on, so in the page info window, you can just see all the files which gets downloaded for that particular web page. So you can just check if every files or the images have got downloaded or not. VoiceLow. It helps us to test the performance of our web application. It not only just tells us about the response time, but it also tells us, it also grades the web page. For an example, if you are using VoiceLow for one particular web page, say google.com, it will tell you that there are 5 external JavaScript files. If you are combining that 5 into 1, then your page performance might increase. So it also tells us or gives suggestions like that. Measure IT. Again, a great add-on. Visually, we find it difficult to measure the exact size of, say for example, button, which might have been mentioned in the requirement document that it should be 4 by 6. So this add-on can be a great use for that purpose. The next add-on is checkbox. Suppose in our web page we have multiple checkboxes. So this can be a great tool for checking all the checkboxes at one go or unchecking it. Next one is auto reload. For many of the dynamic web pages, many of our times we have a requirement that we need to see the content after every 1 minute or 5 minutes or something like that. So we can just have a sip of coffee, sit there in our chair and see page getting reloaded every minute or so. CQ style CSS editor. It performs live CSS edits. So the good thing about it is it provides a slider. So if you want to change some alignment or the colors, you just need to push the slider and see the variations. You don't need to exactly go to the text and edit the numeric value of it. Validity. Quickly checking your HTML documents for the W3 validations. Web edit. I usually say it as a fun extension. Many a time we just want to play around with our application. So you can just add, delete, see how it looks if a particular change is not appearing in the windows. So this can be very fun if you want to do it. Size meter. It's used for basically SEO purpose. you want to know your page rank, and then the traffic charts. It gives you traffic charts from Google Trends, Alexa, and various other things. So the primary purpose of telling these different types of add-ons, so is you can use it for your UI purpose, functional purpose, performance purpose, and also for your SEO purpose. So add-ons, if used effectively, can be used for different purposes. So we definitely need to explore various add-ons which can be a great asset for our daily QA activities. Thank you.